Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I love gardenias. I love them so much that I wished they were here all year round. I've got some growing in my garden as you walk up to the top deck, and the smell in the evening is absolutely beautiful. So I'm having a little botanical thing at the moment with topiaries, and the reason I'm doing that is, you know how I just love things when I love them. I wanted to create something that simple, that could just be tucked away in a corner so that when I walked past it looked beautiful. So today is all about sharing how to turn these beautiful gardenias, I've got half a dozen stems here, into a standalone forevermore beautiful topiary. I will get over myself and stop doing these in due course, but at the moment I just can't help myself. Okay, I wanted a white container. As I said, I just wanted the focus to be on the beautiful gardenias. So I have a white container that I have paint finished, and I think the color I use is a new color white, and it's called black white, and it's perfect, and it's perfectly balanced white. It's not too gray, it's not too yellow, it's perfect color. Into here I'm just going to stick in a piece of I have to be very strong about this here. I don't go to the gym. I don't need to go to the gym. Just playing with flowers gives me all the strength I want. Okay, they can come out of there, and all I'm going to do is go up through to, will it work? No, it won't work. I was going to just cable tie those all together, but in case it doesn't work and I look stupid, I'm just going to singly insert these in and around. So as I said, I'm trying to create a topiary. So what I'm trying to do is to bring everything to appear as if the stem is coming from, all of my stems are coming from one point. If I need to, and push them down to the same height too. If I need to, I can cable tie them at the end to make them stick together. But pretty much these should all stay together, and that can go down and into there like so. Now, if you want to ball it up even more, this is when you can do it, but, and I will do it, just bring those all in and around like so, and take the cable tie as high up as you can. I may change my mind and I may not want it to look like this in due course. And you know what? I think I've turned it the wrong way. Oh, for goodness sake, if I put my glasses on, we wouldn't have this issue, would we? Never mind, one day you'll be my age and you'll understand what it's like when your eyesight just gently dissipates into the ear. Now with these, just bringing some of these down like so, and I will get this looking beautiful, beautiful in due course. So there we have a simple structure. And the next thing, because I just want the focus on those, what I've done here is I've got some moss balls, and what I've done is I've just stuck the wire down to run along there, and then just tiniest little bit of glue at the end so that stays in place. And the other thing I want to share is, a couple of years ago we were in Japan and I saw one of these and I thought, oh, wouldn't it be great if I could grow one of those in my garden? Well, 3 years later it's just impossible, so I've given up the idea, and now I just am going with the artificial because I know that it's going to be pristine, perfect. But what I did love was just this beautiful mound of moss on the top of the pot. It just looks superb. So how's that? Simple, elegant, no fuss, beautiful, forevermore. Oh, gardenia. Now, you might be thinking, does it smell, Esther? Well, actually it doesn't, but I've got some gardenia essential oils and just a little wee drop of this onto your moss balls, and oh yeah, that's better. And you can just drop this onto the moss and it will just, when the fragrance disappears, how cool is that? I love it. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you another day. Hopefully I'm not still stuck on topiary trees. Bye for now.